guys, so first things first, we're just gonna give it a nice little spray. Then we're gonna grab our squeegee. And we just squeegee everything off it. So, want everything to be nice and clean, no dirt in it. So, there we go. Now we're gonna give it a nice little spray down. I'm gonna go grab the material real quick if you guys wanna see what it looks like. There you go. In the front bumper layout right there, guys. So, I'll be right back. Let me go grab it. There we go. So, not too bad. Looks good. So let's lock down this one first so I won't be in your way. So it looks like we're gonna go all the way to that corner like that. Okay. Not too bad. This one's gonna need a lot of stretching. We got this. So give it a nice little spray down. Alright, we got more hot water. It was kind of warm, so we want it to be hotter. But yeah, it did lock down a little bit right there. So, just gonna give it another squeegee like that. And there we go. Alright guys, so now we're gonna be working on the other side. So we got this area nicely locked. Now we're gonna stretch it. Let me show you the other side. So if you guys can see it, you can see how far off it is from the corner. So we're gonna have to pull this material all the way across. So let's get into that real quick. Okay guys, we're gonna work it slowly over. So now we got this side, my bad, totally forgot to zoom you guys in. So we're gonna be slowly working our way over to this side. Okay, let's get this locked in. Alright guys, so that is all done. Now we're just gonna go fine tune some areas that lifted. Okay. Guys, now we're gonna grab our heat gun. First, I'm gonna blow this out real quick. You guys saw that? We lifted way too much, so let's get this out real quick. Remember guys, just be firm on your squeegeeing and you'll be fine. There we go. Okay. Okay guys, so not too bad. Hopefully I got you some good close-ups so you guys understand how the heat gun works. Don't overheat the material. It will pretty much destroy the film if it gets too hot. So just enough heat. You're pretty much just trying to dry the underside of it. And then by heating the outside of it too, you're also making it take that form or the shape you're trying to make it take, the curve. So all right guys, let's start doing the front bumper. And yeah, I can't wait.